In this video, we're going to take a look at our top 5 AI predictions for 2023. Prediction number 1. The release of GPT-4 is expected in the near future and is anticipated to have a profound impact on the AI industry. Recently, there has been a surge of rumors regarding OpenAI's powerful generative language model, GPT-4, which is expected to bring substantial performance improvements compared to GPT-3 and 3.5. Despite the recent attention surrounding ChatGPT, the public response to the introduction of GPT-4 is expected to be even more substantial. Although GPT-4 may not be significantly larger than GPT-3, its performance is expected to be superior due to training on a larger data set with fewer parameters. This was confirmed by DeepMind researchers in a significant research article published last year, showing that training data is more crucial to model performance than model size. Today's top language models, including OpenAI's GPT-3, AI21 Labs' Jurassic, Microsoft's and NVIDIA's Megatron Turing, were trained on datasets consisting of around 300 billion tokens and 570 billion parameters. GPT-4 is expected to be trained on a dataset that is at least 10 times larger, possibly reaching 10 trillion tokens, and have fewer parameters, making it smaller than Megatron Turing. It's possible that GPT-4 will support multiple data modalities beyond text, such as photos, videos, and others. This means that, for example, GPT-4 could take a text prompt and generate an image like DALL-E or receive a video and provide text responses to related queries. Prediction number 2. The use of fully autonomous vehicles as the primary mode of transportation for the general population is imminent. Despite years of hype and failed promises, driverless cars have finally arrived, yet the widespread impact seems to have gone unnoticed. In San Francisco, people can access the Cruise app to request a driverless car ride from point A to point B, similar to the Uber or Lyft app. Currently, the service is only available between 10 p.m. and 5:30 a.m., but it is planned to expand 24/7 in the city within the next few weeks. The competition from Waymo is close behind. Robotaxi services will quickly evolve from a novel concept to a common and practical means of getting around the city. By 2023, both the number of individuals using robotaxis and the number of these vehicles on the road will surge. In simpler terms, the growth and widespread adoption of self-driving vehicles is imminent. This will start in one city and then expand. It's expected that in the coming months, at least 2 more cities in the U.S. will provide autonomous vehicle services to the general public. Possibilities include Phoenix, Austin, Las Vegas, and Miami. Prediction number 3. By 2023, search will have undergone a greater transformation than it has since the advent of Google in the early 2000s. Search has become a critical component in our experience of using the internet, as we use it to navigate and access digital information. Today's large language models, LLMs, have advanced to a level of reading and writing sophistication that was once unthinkable just a few years ago. This will have a profound impact on how we search. One reinterpretation of search is conversational search, which has gained traction following the emergence of ChatGPT. Instead of typing in a search query and receiving a list of links as in the traditional Google search experience, why not have a conversational exchange with a dynamic AI agent to retrieve the information you need? Although conversational search holds great promise, accuracy remains a major issue that must be addressed before it can be widely adopted. Conversational large language models can sometimes provide incorrect information with complete confidence. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, recently warned against relying on ChatGPT for anything critical at this time. A search engine that is accurate only 95% or 99% of the time will not be acceptable to most users. One of the major challenges that search innovators will face in 2023 is finding a scalable and effective solution to this problem. Additionally, next-generation search opportunities go beyond text. Recent developments in AI create entirely new opportunities for multimodal search, or the capacity to query and retrieve data from many data modalities. No modality offers a greater possibility than video, which makes up over 80% of all internet traffic. Imagine being able to quickly and accurately search a film for a specific time, person, or action. One business, 12 Labs, is developing a multimodal AI platform to support complex video search and comprehension. Surprisingly, nothing has changed in search since Google's ascent and the dot-com era. Large language models will start to drastically alter this throughout the course of the year. Prediction number 4. Humanoid robot development is set to draw significant attention, investment, and expertise. The creation of humanoid robots is expected to surge, with various new efforts being launched. Hollywood's portrayal of AI through humanoid robots like the Ex Machina robot is often dramatic and exaggerated. However, the development of humanoid robots is rapidly becoming a reality. The reason for creating robots that resemble humans is simple: much of the physical world has been designed with human beings in mind. Therefore, it is often the most efficient solution for robots to have a similar form factor as the humans they are replacing, whether in factories, malls, offices, or classrooms. Tesla's Optimus robot, unveiled during the company's AI Day in September, has stimulated growth in the humanoid robotics field. According to Elon Musk, the robot will eventually be worth more to Tesla than its entire vehicle industry. Although work remains to be done, the robot has the potential to make significant progress given the resources invested. Companies such as Agility Robotics, Hello to You Robotics, Sanctuary AI, and Collaborative Robotics are just a few examples of businesses advancing the field of humanoid robotics. In 2023, the competition in developing humanoid robots will intensify, with both new startups and established companies like Toyota, Samsung, General Motors, and Panasonic entering the race. As more individuals recognize the size of the market opportunity, a rush of talent and funding is expected to pour into the industry, much like the growth in autonomous vehicles in 2016. Prediction number 5. The available data for training language models is finite and will eventually run out. The phrase "data is the new oil" has become overused, but the comparison is apt in one aspect: both are limited resources. Language models are the most impacted area of AI in this regard. Research projects like DeepMind's Chinchilla have shown that the best way to create large language models is by training them on more data instead of making them larger. However, how much high-quality linguistic information is available globally? A large portion of the text content on the internet is unsuitable for training LLMs. The amount of data needed to train large language models is limited and may soon run out. Despite this, the best way to create larger models is to train them on more data, not by increasing their size. The estimate for high-quality linguistic data worldwide ranges from 4.6 trillion to 17.2 trillion tokens, including books, scientific papers, news, Wikipedia articles, and public code. However, a large portion of the text on the internet cannot be used for language training. The DeepMind Chinchilla model was trained on 1.4 trillion tokens. With this limited data, there may be obstacles to further advancement in language AI. Many AI researchers and business people are aware of this and are working to find solutions, such as using synthetic data or recording spoken words during international conferences. It will be interesting to see how OpenAI, a leading language model research group, addresses this challenge.